Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have another very interesting question from algebra. We have to find the value of x in our continued fraction 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 over 1 plus 1 over and so on up to infinity. So let's get started by putting here one bracket. In this bracket, we have all the numbers positive, all the signs positive. So I would say our bracket is greater than 0. So we can write here x is addition of 1 with bracket which is positive. So conclusion is x must be greater than 1. Our answer should be greater than 1. Let's solve. I can see here this segment of continued fraction which we can replace with x. If this is x, 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 over, so we can say 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 over 1 plus and so on. This can be replaced with x. So we will write x equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 over x, which will be written as 1 plus 1 over. This one we can write x over x. Then we have 2 over x. X is greater than 1. Now we will write equal to 1 plus 1 over x plus 2 over x. Now reciprocal of x plus 2 over x will be x over x plus 2. So we will write 1 plus x over x plus 2. This is equal to x. So I will write here x equal to 1 plus x over x plus 2. X is greater than 1. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 will be over. We will get x minus 1 in the left hand side and x over x plus 2 in the RHS. Now we will cross multiply. We will write x plus 2 times x minus 1 equal to x. Now we will expand our LHS. X times x is square. X times minus 1 minus x. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 equal to x. Now 2x minus x is x. We will write x square plus x minus 2 equal to x. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. We will get x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So we will cancel plus and minus x from LHS. We will write here x square minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will add 2 to both sides. X square will become 2. Now we will take a square root both sides to get the value of x. So we will write a square root sign both the sides. Now a square root and a square will be cancelled out from left hand side. We will get x value which will be equal to plus minus a square root of 2. So we are getting 2x values. So I can write here x1 equal to plus square root 2 and x2 equal to minus square root 2. So we have to reject extraneous solution from here as we have condition on x should be greater than 1. So minus square root 2 is less than 1 and square root 2 is greater than 1. So we are going to accept plus square root 2 and we are going to reject minus square root 2. So I can write our final answer or the value of x will be equal to square root of 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.